Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy Michi meme coin. Now Michi is a meme coin on Solana, and we have seen in the past that meme coins on Solana are doing a pretty decent job. Like there is Dog Whip Hat, then there is Bonk and few others. Now if we talk about the circulating supply, 100% of the supply is under circulation, which is a good thing. And you can go ahead and buy Michi on a centralized exchange as well as decentralized exchange, and I will be showing you both the options. So you can buy Michi on Mexc Global. Now if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can sign up on Mexc Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see, Mexc Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So there is no buying fee and the selling fee is only 0.02%. And this is also applicable for futures. So if you want to deal in futures, you can deal on Mexc Global. Now, once you create an account on Mexc Global, you can either buy USDT directly on Mexc Global if your country or bank allows it. If not, then you can go ahead and transfer USDT from other wallet or from some other centralized exchange. Now head to spot on Mexc Global and search for Michi and select the pair Michi to USDT. Now go a bit down and there are two types of order. One is a market order and one is a limit order. Market order meaning you go ahead and buy Michi at the current market price. Limit meaning, let's say if you feel like the price of Michi will fall down to 0.12, so simply put in 0.12, put in the amount of USDT and click on buy. This order would be shown in the open orders over here, and as soon as the price of Michi falls down to this level, your order would be executed and then you would be getting this meme coin in your Mexc Global spot account. So this was with regards to a centralized exchange. Now let's say if you don't want to use a centralized exchange, you can also buy it on a decentralized exchange. Simply head to jup.ag and go ahead and connect any Solana wallet. Please note that you will need to have some Sol in your wallet in order to swap Sol for Michi. So once you are here, simply go ahead and swap Sol to Michi and search for Michi over here. And as you can see, there are a lot of Michi and most of these are scam coins. So you have to be very careful. So in order to avoid this, what you can do is you can head to CoinMarketCap and copy this token contract address. So as you can see, I've already copied this. Simply head back to jup.ag and over here you can go ahead and paste the token contact address at the top, and this is the actual Michi. Simply go ahead and click on this. Now let's say if you want to go ahead and swap 0.1 Sol for Michi, it will calculate the best exchange rate, and as you can see, as per the current exchange rate, I will be getting 141 Michi. So simply go ahead and click on swap. Within 5 to 10 seconds the order would be executed and then you would be getting this Michi meme coin in your Solana wallet. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy Michi meme coin. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.